So now here we are again. We will gonna solve the power series of y double prime y double prime is equal to y. So first of all, let y is equal to summation of c sub n times x raised to n from 0 to infinity. So y double prime is equal again to n times n minus 1 times c sub n times x raised to n minus 1. So summation of n times n. By the way, we substitute the equivalent power series summation notation to the equation, so it will become this. So it is equal to summation of c sub n times x raised to n from 0 to infinity. So now we transpose to the left side and equate it to 0. So n times n minus 1 times c sub n times x raised to n minus 2 minus summation of c sub n times x raised to n from 0 to infinity is equal to 0. So now we make the value of n equal. So this become so what we do here is that we minus 2 at this part, minus 2, then add 2 to all n here. So this will become n plus 2 times n plus 1 times c sub n plus 2 times x raised to n minus summation of c sub n times x raised to n from 0 to infinity is equal to 0. So what we do now is that we factor out what is common. So what's common is the summation notation and the x raised to n. So now what left is n plus 2, n plus 1, c sub n plus 2 times x is to n minus c sub n. So now we make an equation n plus 2 times n plus 1 times c sub n plus 2 minus cn is equal to 0. So this will be the recursion relation is c sub n plus 2 is equal to cn over n plus 2 times n plus 1. So at n is equal to 0, our c sub 2 is equal to c sub o over 2 times 1. So at n equals 1, our co is equal to c sub 2 over 3 times 2. Oh, I mean c sub 1. So at n equals 2, our c sub 4, by the way, this is c sub 2, this is c sub 3, I mean. So c sub 4 is equal to c sub 2 over 4 times 3. So at n equals 3, c sub 5 is equal to c sub 3 over 5 times 4. At n equals 4, c sub 6 is equal to c sub 4 over 6 times 5 co over 6 factorial. This is just the equivalence of it. So at n equals 5, our c sub 7, so c sub 5 over 7 times 6. So we know that the value of phi is co plus c1x plus c2x squared plus c3x cubed plus so the even coefficient recursion is c sub 2 times n to n times c sub o over 2 times n factorial. Oh, the video has, sorry for the technical error. So c sub 2 sub 2 times n plus 1 to c sub 1 over 2 times n plus 1 factorial. So Ry is equal to c sub o times 1 plus 1 over 2 factorial x squared plus 1 over 4 factorial x to the 4 plus dot 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 plus c sub 1 times x plus 1 third factorial x cubed plus 1 fifth factorial x to the 5th plus dot dot dot. So the equivalent of this part is hyperbolic cosine x. The equivalent of this part is hyperbolic sine x. So the final answer will become CO times hyperbolic sine x, hyperbolic cosine x plus C1 times hyperbolic sine x.